Imagine a world teeming with life, vibrant and dynamic, yet completely invisible to the naked eye. This unseen realm dictates our health, shapes our history, and holds profound implications for our future. It is a universe within and around us, constantly at work. This is the captivating domain of microbiology, the scientific study dedicated to Earth's smallest life forms. We call them microbes, and their existence is as fundamental as it is astonishing. They are the silent architects and relentless forces behind countless processes. Microbes are truly ubiquitous. They thrive in the deepest, darkest ocean trenches, float invisibly in the air we breathe, and flourish in the most extreme environments imaginable. From volcanic vents to polar ice caps, they are everywhere. Among these microscopic inhabitants, bacteria stand out as single-celled powerhouses. These prokaryotic organisms are incredibly diverse, forming the very foundation of many ecosystems. Their simplicity belies their profound impact on life. Bacterial diversity is astounding. Some bacteria are incredibly beneficial, like those in our gut that aid digestion and produce essential vitamins. Others, however, can be deadly, causing devastating infections that have plagued humanity for millennia. Then there are viruses, often described as the ultimate parasites. They are not technically considered living organisms by all definitions, yet their influence on life is undeniable. Viruses exist solely to replicate, a process that defines their existence. Their mechanism is chillingly efficient. Viruses hijack the machinery of living cells. They inject their genetic material, forcing the host cell to produce more viruses, often leading to cellular dysfunction or death. It's a microscopic takeover. Fungi, another crucial group, are nature's primary recyclers. From the microscopic yeasts that ferment our food to the vast networks of mycelium beneath our feet, fungi play an indispensable role in maintaining ecological balance. Their primary function involves breaking down organic matter. Fungi decompose dead plants and animals, returning vital nutrients to the soil. This continuous recycling process is essential for the health and sustainability of all ecosystems. Each microbe, whether bacteria, virus, or fungus, possesses complex survival strategies. They have evolved unique roles and adaptations, allowing them to thrive in specific niches and interact with their environment in intricate ways. However, this microbial world also presents significant challenges. One of the most pressing global health threats today is antibiotic resistance. It is a growing crisis that undermines our ability to treat common infections. The cause of this resistance is largely a consequence of the overuse and misuse of life-saving antibiotic drugs. When antibiotics are used improperly, resistant strains of bacteria are given an advantage, allowing them to multiply. The impact of resistance is profound. It makes infections harder to treat, prolongs illness, and increases the risk of severe disease and death. Simple infections can become untreatable, pushing us back to a pre-antibiotic era. This phenomenon is a stark reminder of microbial evolution in action. Microbes are constantly adapting to survive, developing new ways to evade our defenses. It's an ongoing arms race between humanity and the microscopic world. Fortunately, we have developed powerful microbial shields, most notably vaccines. These remarkable medical innovations have transformed public health, preventing countless diseases and saving millions of lives. Vaccines function by training our immune systems. They introduce a weakened or inactive form of a pathogen, allowing our bodies to recognize and neutralize future threats without experiencing the full-blown illness. The significance of vaccines cannot be overstated. They are a testament to our understanding of microbial adversaries and our ability to harness scientific knowledge to protect ourselves and our communities. Microbiology extends far beyond disease. Consider probiotics, for instance. These good bacteria are found in foods like yogurt and fermented products, actively supporting our gut health and overall well-being. Microbes are also essential in agriculture. They play a critical role in soil fertility, nutrient cycling, and plant growth, helping crops thrive and ensuring food security for a growing global population. Furthermore, we are increasingly harnessing microbial power through biotechnology applications. Microbes offer sustainable solutions to some of our most pressing environmental and industrial challenges. Industrially, microbes are invaluable. They are used to create life-saving medicines, produce biofuels as alternative energy sources, and even clean up pollution in contaminated environments. Their versatility is astonishing. On a personal level, simple hygiene practices remain our first line of defense against the spread of disease. Actions like regular hand-washing are incredibly effective at preventing the transmission of harmful microbes. In the medical field, doctors rely heavily on microbiological knowledge. They use it to accurately diagnose infections, prescribe appropriate treatments, and understand the mechanisms of disease. Perhaps one of the most mind-bending discoveries is the human microbiome. This complex ecosystem of trillions of microbes lives within and on us, forming an intricate community that is unique to each individual. The microbiome's vital role is still being fully understood, but we know it influences everything from our digestion and immune system to our mood and even our susceptibility to certain diseases. We are truly walking ecosystems. Here's a mind-bending truth. You are more microbe than human. For every human cell in your body, there are approximately 10 microbial cells. We are, in essence, superorganisms, a collective of diverse life forms. This means the human body is not just an individual organism, but a vast, intricate ecosystem. We are a walking, talking microbial environment, a testament to the interconnectedness of all life. The microbial world is a constant dance of life, death, adaptation, and evolution. It is a dynamic arena where organisms are perpetually interacting, competing, and coexisting, shaping the world as we know it. It is a powerful reminder that the smallest things often have the biggest impact. These invisible entities, often overlooked, are fundamental to the existence and functioning of our planet and ourselves. So, as you navigate your day, remember the invisible universe that surrounds and inhabits you. Remember the power of microbes, their profound influence, and the endless wonders they hold for discovery.